Welcome to the Wonders of Wildlife channel. All over Australia and New Guinea we see the famous kangaroo, but did you know some kangaroos live in trees? Let's explore the world of tree kangaroos and see how they're different from their cousins on the ground. We'll go from the rainforest floor to the high branches to learn the secrets of these amazing animals. Tree kangaroos versus ground kangaroos, what's the difference? In this video we'll find out by looking at how they live and where they live. Way up high in the rainforest trees, where the sunlight barely reaches the ground, and the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and leaves, lives an animal that seems to ignore gravity. This remarkable creature moves with an agility that defies its size, navigating the treetops with ease. The tree kangaroo, a really cool example of how animals change over time, has adapted perfectly to its arboreal lifestyle. Its body is built for climbing and leaping. It has left the flat ground for a life in the leaves, where it finds safety and food. Up here it can avoid many ground-based predators. Their strong front arms, with sharp claws, are perfect for holding onto branches. These claws dig into the bark, giving them a firm grip. Their long, fluffy tails help them balance as they move easily through the leaves. This tail acts like a counterbalance, making sure they don't fall. Their big eyes facing forwards help them see how far away things are, super important when you're jumping between branches. This depth perception is crucial for their survival, and their great hearing, thanks to ears that can move, lets them hear even the quietest sounds of an enemy or a rival. This acute sense of hearing helps them stay alert and safe in their high-altitude homes. Down from the rainforest we travel to the middle of Australia, a land of wide-open spaces and deserts. Here we find the famous ground kangaroo, a symbol of this old land. Built for long distances and fast running, the ground kangaroo's strong back legs help them hop across the land. Their strong tails help them balance when they make these big jumps. Their stomachs are perfect for eating plants, getting the most out of tough leaves and grass. And they're great at saving water, which helps them live in some of the driest places on Earth. The different worlds of the tree kangaroo and the ground kangaroo show how nature chooses which animals survive best. Each species has adapted uniquely to its environment, showcasing the incredible diversity of life on our planet. In the rainforests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia, tree kangaroos are safe in the trees. Their strong limbs and long tails help them navigate the dense canopy, where they find food and shelter away from ground predators. They only come down to the ground sometimes, being very careful as they look for fallen fruit or new plants to eat. This cautious behavior is essential for their survival, as the forest floor can be dangerous. The ground kangaroo is the boss in the open areas of Australia, moving around freely to find food and water. Their powerful legs allow them to cover great distances quickly, which is crucial in the vast, open landscapes they inhabit. They move around a lot depending on the weather, sometimes traveling hundreds of miles when it's dry. This nomadic lifestyle helps them find the resources they need to survive in the harsh, arid environment. These two different homes have changed how these amazing animals have developed over a long time. The tree kangaroo and the ground kangaroo are perfect examples of how species evolve to thrive in their specific habitats, each with its own set of challenges and opportunities. Just like their homes are different, so is what tree kangaroos and ground kangaroos eat. These unique dietary habits are perfectly suited to their environments, allowing them to thrive in their respective habitats. High in the trees, the tree kangaroo eats lots of different things: leaves, fruits, flowers, and sometimes even insects. This diverse diet provides them with all the nutrients they need to stay healthy and active. Their long tongues help them reach into flowers to get the sweet nectar. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to access food sources that other animals can't. On the ground kangaroo mostly eats grasses and other plants close to the ground. These plants are abundant in their environment, making them a reliable food source. Their stomachs are really good at getting all the good stuff out of tough plants. This efficient digestion process ensures they get the maximum benefit from their food, and they can even get water from the plants they eat, which helps them live in tough, dry places. This ability to extract moisture from their food is essential for their survival in arid environments. The tree kangaroo and the ground kangaroo both have special features that help them in their homes. The tree kangaroo's sharp claws and strong front arms are good for climbing, while the ground kangaroo's long back legs are made for hopping fast. The tree kangaroo's tail helps it grab onto things, while the ground kangaroo's strong tail helps it balance when it jumps. These special features, chosen by nature, show how amazing and different life on Earth can be. The tree kangaroo and the ground kangaroo, even though they're related, have changed in different ways. Their different ways of living have led to some really interesting differences. By learning about these differences, we can understand more about how nature works and why it's important to protect these special animals. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing trips into the wild world of nature.